Idioms are phrases that don't mean what they literally say, they have a special meaning. Idioms are actually something weird in language. We will discuss this in more detail. Have you ever heard someone saying, "It's raining cats and dogs"? It doesn't mean that cats and dogs are falling from the sky. It actually means it's raining very heavily. Okay, so idioms are phrases that have a special meaning. Sleep like a log is also a phrase which means to sleep deeply, that it's hard to wake that person up. Because logs cannot move and we can never wake them up, so it's also just a phrase. Let the cat out of the bag is also another phrase which means to accidentally reveal a secret or surprise. For example, we can use in a sentence to let the cat out of the bag. Kill two birds with one stone means to accomplish two tasks with a single effort or action. It doesn't mean to actually kill birds. I did my work on the bus, so I killed two birds with one stone. It's a piece of cake means something is very easy to do. For example, we can use this phrase like the test was a piece of cake. So you now understand that idioms are just phrases. The phrase "it's not rocket science" means something is not very difficult to understand or do. For example, we can say it's very easy. It's not a rocket science. Another phrase which is easy does it means to go slowly or be very careful. We can use this in a sentence like easy does it don't drop the box. Another idiom is break a leg means good luck, especially before a performance or impotent event. We can use this in a sentence like you'll do great in the play Break a Leg. Let's see another idiom. Better late than never means it's good to do something even if it's delayed. It's also just a phrase and doesn't mean what they say. A dime a dozen is also just a phrase that means something is very common and easy to find. An idiom, a blessing in disguise, means something that seems bad or unlucky at first but turns out to be good in the end. Don't cry over spilt milk means don't waste time worrying about things that can't be changed or fixed. For example, we can say the vase broke, but don't cry over spilt milk. Another phrase which is feeling under the weather, which means someone is feeling ill or unwell physically or emotionally. Now read this idiom, no pain, no gain, which means achieving something worthwhile often requires hard work, effort, and even discomfort. Pull yourself together means to regain control over your emotions after being upset, angry, overwhelmed, or confused. To have butterflies in your stomach means to be nervous or anxious, usually in anticipation of something important. That's the last straw means to lose patience or reach a breaking point after a series of problems. That's all for this video. For more such idioms, subscribe to my channel.